Hello, with just an Android phone to create a bootable Windows installer. Suppose you want to install the operating system on a newly bought computer but don't have another computer next to it. This is a useful solution. Let's get started. On your phone, download the latest Windows installer from the Microsoft home page. A flash drive is indispensable. This is the flash drive I use. Need an additional adapter to connect the flash drive to the phone. Connect them together and connect to the Android phone. On the phone, install an application called Ventoy. The application automatically detects the flash drive connected to the phone. Use the default settings. Install. The application asks for 2 coins to continue. OK. You just watch ads to get coins. Free. Watch ad get free coin. Already have 1 coin. Earn 1 more coin is enough. Like a game. Free. Watch ad get free coin. Enough coins as required. I use them to install Ventoy on flash drive. Install. The disk will be formatted and all data will be lost. Installing Ventoy. Ventoy installed successfully. Scroll down to Add Windows Installer. Copy file to USB. Browse to the folder where the Windows installer was downloaded earlier. Windows 11 ISO. Copying file. Wait for about 10 minutes to complete copying. File copied successfully. Bootable Windows 11 installer completed. Remove flash drive from Android phone. Without any computer I can create a bootable Windows 11 installer with just a phone. I will test the result by installing Windows 11 on a computer. Thanks for watching.